And now on behalf of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, please welcome Yamini Iyengar.
Good afternoon to all of you. How often have we assembled in this convention center with no idea of what adventures or horrors await us? And how often have we hid in the washrooms to avoid the professors from dragging us by our nails into the convention center to attend these incredibly long sessions? I just hope that there is no one hiding in there today. Because today marks an important day for us all. Today, we, the class of 2019, have achieved the first milestone of our life. An engineering degree. I'm in love with it already. 4 years have flown by in this college, and boy, were they long. Gone were the days where we would diligently attend classes from day one and actually do the homework. It was time to welcome new concepts. Concepts like bunking, concepts like defaulters list, group studies with the class topper, endless food committee meetings to ensure edible cafeteria food. Not tasty, edible. Midnight snacks in the hostel rooms and longer hours for DJ night. These trivial moments were the ones that became our treasured memories. Memories that started in this very room with Dr. Aditya Abhyankar's address about discovering the passion for your field and nurturing it. Wittingly or unwittingly, we accepted our realities and decided to face it together. Each year had its own characteristic. The first year, discipline. Fresh out of school, eyes sparkling, we entered the campuses and excitedly went on for our new journeys. And we followed every little instruction to the T. It would be a sin not to. Second year, we understood brotherhood. We knocked heads with our DSE classmates. We built cordial relationships with our seniors and laid down the law or gave words of advice to our juniors. Third year, learning and initiative. Our curiosity grew. Committees taught us teamwork. Competitions gave us purpose. Networking with experienced individuals helped us mold our personalities and bring out the best in us. At the same time, we also had class tests. And we had to attend the class test because attendance was mandatory. The final year. Peace? Not really. Almost to the finish line, we start thinking about what after engineering. And then come the GRE GMAT tests, prospective job interviews, and competitive examinations. The most crucial time of our lives had just begun. Each of these years was a rite of passage that we endured, here with the help of our advisors and mentors in I2IT. Please give them a huge round of applause. To everyone present in this room, with whom I've had an interaction, allow me to say, you have made a great impact on me. We may or may not be forever companions. We may or may not cross paths in future. But the good old days we shared together will be etched in our memories forever. So this is it. We set sail on our journeys. Life from here onwards will be very competitive. You may have set some tough goals ahead of you. But the one thing I want you to remember is that don't lose your uniqueness when it comes in the tussle for these goals. It is what defines you as the person you have grown into today. Take time out for yourself. Binge watching on Netflix and a nice plate of pani puri now and then would not hurt. While we will grow into ambitious, successful, competitive professionals, let us always remember that the one thing that will always give us an edge will be to be and become a good human being. Today, we rise as champions. May we all rise wise, rise fierce, and rise strong. Wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you.